So we have our bottle. This is a clear bottle that we added vegetable oil in. It's a nice clear light yellow oil. That's how I know it's vegetable. I have another one that's got sort of greenish oil. I know that's olive oil. Olive oil is not the flavor we want here. Neutral oil. So watch this. We're going to give it some spritzes. The wax paper is protecting my counter. Now how do I know if enough is enough here? Well, let's look at this chicken. Once we see that the flour is absorbed, the oil, and it no longer just looks like white powder, that's enough. Because if it still looks like white powder, that's going to burn. Now what's on the bottom is going to be just fine without being sprayed because the juices are going to get under there, and that's going to be fine on its own. So the trick is making sure you give enough oil, and that's enough. You'll also notice that I'm using the spray bottle and not an aerosol. The reason for that is a lot of manufacturers actually say that there are ingredients in the aerosols that ruin the finishes of their racks. I'm not going to argue with them. I don't know what that is, and I don't know what's on their finish that could be a problem with. But it's an easy change to make to go in line with all of that. And anytime you do anything that goes against manufacturer stuff, you kind of void warranties. So we're just going to let that go and use our pump spray.